Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. Today we are discuss the next problems of on hypothesis that test the hypothesis that the mean of a normal population with known variance 70 is 31. If a sample of size 13 gave x bar, sample mean is 34. Let the alternative hypothesis be h1 mean is greater than 31 and let alpha level of significance is 0.10. So first of all we make the hypothesis is given that h naught mean is 31 we are test mean is 31 that is already given. So the mean of a normal population with known variance. So known variance is 70 and null hypothesis given that the mean of the normal population with known variance is 31. So we want to test the hypothesis that is already given. H1 is greater than 31 and level of significance is 0.10 and ample mean is given that 34. So this is the first step already given and the second step is level of significance. Level of significance, that is alpha is equal to 0.10 and the third we are needed here sample size also given there 13. So sigma is known. His statistic, we are using, actually there are different types of test statistics z, t, chi-square and f, but here according to the conditions, if sigma is known, if the sample size is greater than or equal to 30, so we are using z test statistics. Otherwise, if sample size is less than 30 and sigma is known, we also use z test statistics. Here, since sample size hence sigma is known and n is less than 30, so we use z test statistics. Z test statistic. That is z test statistics. Z is equal to x bar minus mu divided by sigma in under root under h naught. Under h naught mean here mean is equal to 31. So the fourth step we are using calculation. ZC is equal to x bar. X bar is given that already given that x bar is 34. 34 minus 31 divided by sigma. Here sigma square is given that and n under root is 13. So we are taking here already square root also here because sigma square is equal to 70 and we are taking square root on both sides of this one, both are cancelled. Sigma is 70 under root. If we calculate this result, we get by calculator 1.29. 1.29 ZC. Z calculation. Number 4 step we are using critical region. Critical region. C dot R. Here is one-sided test, so we are using ZC greater than Z alpha. Z alpha. So this is one-sided test. Alpha is given that alpha is equal to 0.10. If we see the table as Z standardized table, so we will get the answer as 1.28. 1.28. Now if we check 0, so critical region is 1.28, that is Z alpha. Z alpha is greater than or equal to Z alpha, that is right side. So C falls one in the rejection region, that is in the rejection region. Sixth step, decision or conclusion. Decision or conclusion. Since ZC value 1.29, which lies on the rejection region, so we reject is not. Since ZC is equal to 1.29 falls in the rejection region, therefore we reject the null hypothesis. That is, it's not mu is equal to 31. It means that from this result we conclude that a 10% of people does not included in the given population. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you in advance. Please subscribe my channel. Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss about the problem question number 2 from statistical book number 2 of BBA and BCS students. The marks obtained by students at a large number of colleges are known to be normally distributed with a mean we are wanted to test, that is mean. A random sample of 36 students showed an average number of marks. An average number of marks is that one, and random sample is 36. With a standard deviation is also known that by what conclusion should be drawn. It means that we are required hypothesis. So first of all, we write the given data. Given data has, we want to test mean as equal to, with our normal distribution with mean as 25, and random sample of n is equal to 36, and average marks of means are x bar, average 27, and standard deviation is denoted by sigma is 5. What conclusion should be drawn? It means that we are required hypothesis. So first we formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. It's not mu is equal to 25. This will be two-sided test because we are not agree, for example, so we are not agree the population mean is normally distributed by 25. And the second steps, we are using level of significance. Level of significance means that here alpha is 5% almost, F alpha is not given in the question. So now we are using here Z test statistics. Test statistic, that is third step we are using. So here sigma is known and sample size also greater than 30. So we are using Z test statistic since sigma is known and sample size is greater than or equal to 30. So we use Z test statistic, that is Z is equal to x bar minus me divided by sigma in under root under h naught. Numbers for calculation. ZC is equal to x bar is given there 27 minus mu as we are testing 25 divided by sigma. Sigma is also known 5 and n under root is n is 36 under root. If we calculate this value, so 2 divided by 5 and 6 is equal to 12 divided by 5. 2 point, if we calculate by calculator using calculator, 2.4 2.4 we'll use. For fifth critical region, ZC greater than this is two-sided test. Two-sided test we are using here. Two-sided test Z alpha by 2 or ZC less than or equal to minus Z alpha by 2. Alpha is given 0.5%, 5% means 0.05. Alpha by 2 if we are finding, so 0.05 divided by 2 is equal to 0.025. If ZC and the table Z alpha by 2 is equal to Z 0.25, we will get the answer 1.96. C in the standardized normal variable table, so we get the answer 1.96. If we are making the curve, so this is mean is 25 and here minus Z alpha by 2 which is minus 1.96 and Z alpha by 2 1.96. We check the calculated value lies in the rejection region 2.4. 2.4 lies here. Number 6, say we are using decision. Since ZC, that is 2.4, lies in the rejection region, therefore we reject H naught, that is me as equal to 25. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.